Hi everyone, welcome to It's Pouring Paint. As you can see, I have a different studio nowadays because of my pups here, who I just gave a bone so she would sit and watch us. Anywho, I had to come here because my pups there has torn both her ACL ligaments in her hind legs, and we needed to put her on one level, and keep her as inactive as possible. And so I have brought her here because the townhouse I live in has way too many stairs, and she's 75 pounds, and I was just really kind of scared that she'd be re-injured. Anyways, so I have decided to go ahead and do rock painting here. I'm going to do a dirty pour on this magnificent rock here. I've got it all set up, and we're going to see how this turns out. I had to look around to find anything that I could pour on here because it's not necessarily the greatest place to look for nice items to get a work of art from. But I did find the rock. I have cleaned it up. It is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead, come back here, and use these colors to put a mixture together for a dirty pour. Hey everybody, we're back. Alright, so I've gone ahead and poured everything into the cup. I am going to attempt to do all of this rock in this pour with this, but I am unsure if I have enough paint. Of course, I've never done anything like this before, so I do not know. However, I'm going to start out. First, I'm going to start pouring it on, and I'm going to try and brush as much down so the paint flows a little bit better, and we're going to go from there. So let's just start. I'm going to do it slowly so I can make sure I get the top, and then start trying to go down to the sides. Well, this looks really kind of cool, actually. So I may not have to brush if I continue to do it this way. We will see, but at the same time, I am really not sure about how much paint is going to be required for this. See, oh, the wind. There's something I didn't have to deal with in my little itty bitty studio. I don't know what you're thinking about this, but with the little itty bitty strokes I'm doing, it's doing these beautiful little like river lines. And I just keep hitting my cup on the back of this. Okay, I'm wondering if I should start trying here at least. I don't want to ruin anything. I really don't. I know you're going, please don't do that. But I do need it to flow. So let's just see what this does. Don't hate me. I think it will do a great job of allowing the paint to flow a little better. I'll put design over it, don't worry. You won't even notice I've done this. I hope. Alright, so I've only done this one side, as you can see, because this is what you can see. And I'm going to have to also try and do the other side, because it is also beautiful. Bear with me. I'll see if I can't speed this up later on. Just this part right here. Yeah, if you get in there and see. Already very, very interesting. Or this side. I might try and do this side separately. But we'll see. I do have about half a cup of paint left. But I want it to count, right? I don't want to waste it in drips. I want it to create. Just going to pour a little bit more here. So I have something to work with back here. I probably should have painted out the rock now that I think about it. And as always, I think about it just a little too late. But I should probably have painted out the rock first. Washed it with paint before I started this. And then I wouldn't be sitting here wasting our time. But we're learning together, right? Because this is how you do things. This is how you create and learn. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this paintbrush down, and now I'm going to start doing the designing again. Whoa, yeah, getting bold now. I'm just like, woo, let's get going. All right, here we go. Let a river run through it. Oh, now I'm seeing some red. Oh yeah. I'm really liking what the red's doing for this. I'm not sure if you can see, but and I'm running out of paint, as I thought I might. Oh, look it, there's some white. Let me just I'm really trying to get it to flow nice and evenly over here. So now I'm just going to spatter. And of course the wind is now taking that paintbrush that I had and thrown it off. So what I tried to avoid just happened. You know, that is life, I suppose. Okay. So there we have it. Oops. It's very interesting. As you might tell, I honestly don't think I used enough paint, but it will gravitate down as time goes, and I am sure it will be better. Oh, there goes my paper towel. Yep, I'll learn. So this is it. This is me rock painting on the rock. Now the great thing about it is if I really don't like it, I can go ahead and recreate a different version. I just wanted to see how it would be, how it would go. It is interesting. I'm going to show you when it's dry and you let me know. Is it a keeper or is it a redoer? Thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure. Be good to yourself, be good to others. We'll see you soon. Hi everyone. So, it is dry. I am not quite sure what to think of it. As I said about most of my art. And so this is what it looked like. Yesterday, I was saying it looked like a big, gigantic bird had pooped on my rock. Because of the white in it, I was just like, no, that really kind of gave it that look. And if you will see the back, so conclusion, I did not use enough paint. This is a 2 cup. Whoop, I'm trying to get my shadow out of there. 2 cup rock. But it does look really neat. It really does. Like, I mean, I wish you could see the shimmer. And it looks pretty cool in some light. But I think, I wish it was brighter here, but I think I'm going to go with purple and yellow. I think that's what I'm going to do it over. I'm not going to use white. Or should I keep it? Let me know what you think. Yeah, I'm going to do it over. See you next video. Be good to yourself, be good to others. Bye.